If Photopea is unresponsive, frozen, or showing the page unresponsive message, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get Photopea working again without losing your project. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. First, if Photopea freezes right after opening a heavy file, running a filter, or applying a complex transform, wait 1 to 2 minutes before closing anything. Photopea can take a little time to finish processing because some operations run in the browser and may seem stuck for a moment. When your browser asks if the page is unresponsive, click Wait instead of closing the tab. In many cases, Photopea will recover on its own and complete the task. Next, test Photopea in an incognito or private window. This is one of the most important checks because ad blockers and script blockers are often the #1 reason Photopea stops responding. Tools like uBlock Origin, Brave Shields, or DuckDuckGo protections can block background scripts that Photopea needs to function properly. Open a private window using Command-Shift-N on Mac or Control-Shift-N on Windows, then go to photopea.com and test it again. If Photopea works normally there, the issue is probably your browser extension settings. At that point, whitelist Photopea in your main browser so it can load properly. If Photopea is still not responding, do a hard refresh to clear corrupted cache files. Sometimes old script files stored in your browser can cause loading problems, memory issues, or random freezing. On Mac, press Command-Shift-R. On Windows, press Ctrl-F5, or in some browsers, Ctrl-Shift-R. This forces the browser to reload the newest version of the page instead of using damaged cached files. Another great fix is to clear Photopea's history state memory. If the app gets slower over time, especially after editing a large project for a while, the history panel may be using up too much RAM inside the browser tab. The best way to reset that is to save your work first by pressing Command-S on Mac or Ctrl-S on Windows. Save it as a PSD file to your computer, then reload the tab and reopen the file. This refreshes Photopea and brings RAM usage back down to 0, which often fixes the lag immediately. If Photopea freezes when zooming, panning, or using large brush tools, the issue may be with WebGL rendering. Some graphics drivers struggle with it, and that can cause the editor to lock up. To turn it off, go to the More menu and find Use WebGL. Disable it, then test the app again. For many users, switching away from WebGL makes Photopea feel much more stable. So if Photopea is unresponsive, start by waiting briefly, then test in Incognito, hard refresh the page, reset your history memory by saving and reopening your PID, and finally turn off WebGL if needed. One of these fixes usually gets everything working again. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.